bafowethu ngibelithengweni nonke etsheni yakho umoya and I'm back again nenye video uyayazi mos uba yilawe inqabileyo ingafumanekiyo nephina ke ngoku usulapha usayaphi ke ngoku masikamana asikho lapho nje. But yeah guys, first and foremost I'd like to apologize for being inconsistent in terms of dropping videos, but I promise you as soon as my things are sorted out I'll get back to you regularly. And then getting straight to the first story of today, Mahlatsi, Mahlatsi, you all know him. He was playing for Xhosa Chiefs and he didn't really get a game time over the years at Xhosa Chiefs. So we saw that his contract got terminated. Transfer window, and then it has been reported right now that he's training with his former club, Moroka Swallows. Obviously, he's training with Moroka Swallows with the intentions of securing himself a contract because he doesn't have a club right now. So I mean, he can't just sit around. I mean, age is still on his side, and we know but he has the capabilities of being a top player again, getting back to the national team and all of that. So and Mahlatsi is not the only player that's trying to secure a contract by training with the club. Also, Patosi. Patosi, you all know him. He used to play for Cape Town City. Yeah, he's now training with the Cape Town Spurs. Up, not so far away, up Western Cape. So yeah, Patosi, apparently there was a Libyan move which failed to materialize. So after that failed move, he is now back in South Africa, Western Cape particularly, and he's training with the Cape Town Spurs with the intentions of securing himself a contract. And then moving on, we'd like to share our deepest condolences to George Chigova, former goalkeeper of SuperSport United. I'd like to say to him that may his soul rest in peace. He passed away. It was announced yesterday after he had heart problems. So yes man, all the best to his family and friends and all those that are close to him. And one thing that's beautiful lately, I mean, we've witnessed the sudden passing of Mr. Nduli and also Mr. Chigova, and the support that the clubs, which is the SuperSport United and the Amazulu, have been receiving is out of this world from other clubs and also the fans obviously and players too. I like the fact that even through the difficult times that they get to experience, the teams support them. I mean, it's something that's very beautiful to watch. And we also got to see other clubs supporting Mahlatsi Sundowns when they celebrated their win in the African Football League. So guys, it's something beautiful to witness that the clubs support each other through dark times and also through beautiful times. So once again, I'd like to pass my greatest condolences to Mr. George Chigova. And then moving on from that, Bernard Parker, Melvin, Mr. Parker, I'm so sorry, let me respect you, sir. He has bagged himself a KFC coaching license. He's on his path to becoming a coach right now. I mean, he has to obviously continue so that he can be a fully qualified coach, but it's something beautiful to see that even while he's still playing, yes, we know he's still injured for now, but obviously he can't get back on the field and play again for TS Galaxy. But for him to bag a coaching license while still playing is something that's beautiful. I mean, it's okay for him to start right now while he's still on the field before actually hanging his boots, so that by the time he gets to playing again, to coaching, everything will, like, he will already have a foundation. So he won't be starting like from rock bottom. At least he'll be picking up from somewhere, and with the ton of experience that he has, coaching won't be that difficult for him. So I just hope that he completes his coaching courses, like all of them, and all the best to you, Mr. Parker. And then moving on to Mahlatsi Sundowns Ladies Football Club. Oh, what a club. What a club. They have progressed to the final of the CAF Champions League final. It's something that's beautiful for South African football, obviously, but most importantly, it's beautiful for them. So Mahlatsi Sundowns have progressed to the final of the CAF Champions League after beating the ASFA by 1-0, courtesy of a goal from Tumelo Rabale. So it's something. So they won that game by 1-0, and now they are set to face off in the final. And Mahlatsi Sundowns has been bullying teams of Morocco. I mean, recently Mahlatsi Sundowns just scooped the African Football League right now after beating a Moroccan club. And now they are doing the same thing in Mahlatsi Sundowns Ladies. And what's your problem with the Moroccan clubs? But yeah, asikho lapho, but siselapho. Sisathetha ngeMahlatsi Sundowns njalo. Netflix as a has looked at them. Well, man, but no. Remember the Sundowns ladies have been doing quite well. So after that, they have decided to, should I say, reward. But then they are releasing a documentary on the 22nd of November. Make sure you catch it. It will be about Mamelodi Sundowns ladies, obviously talking about them through their lives on the field and also off the field. So it's something beautiful. We know that they got to be champions of the first UEFA for women's, the first UEFA Champions League, not UEFA, CAF Champions League, and they were runners up last season, and now they're back in the finals again. I just hope that they can do their best and go on to grab that second star. It's been something that's beautiful to witness their rise to the top as the ladies. I mean, they're trying to keep up with the males. I mean, it's like a competition, a healthy competition, a positive competition, because the others are doing well and also the others are doing well. So all in all, it's something that's very beautiful to witness. I just hope that that winning mentality can also be rubbed off on other South African teams that they compete against, so that it can be a tough competition in our South African leagues and also when facing off against other African teams. So yes guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I promise you once again that from now on, in fact I don't want to say from now on, but as soon as my things get okay, I will be consistent. Thank you so much for your time. Itanya kumoya ndinithanda nonke. Odanko.